Hello guys, you use smartphone Nokia 5.4. This version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory in the night blue color. Okay. Look completion. First, we have key for SIM slot, documentary, headphones, adapter for charging, and USB Type-C cable. That's all completion. Okay. Good completion with headphones. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, 6.4-inch display. On right side, power key and volume keys. Left side, smart key and slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and upside headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. HD display, IPS, Android 10, this clear Android, and open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor 4+4 cores. GPU Adreno 610. Look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Okay, close this and look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, okay. And run the money game GTA San Andreas. Game works on the high graphic level, without problems, very good. Good performance, okay. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.